Hey, this is Kathy from RIVA Motorsports and Marine of the Keys. I'm here on the 206 Cayman. I want to go over its features with you, so hop on board. All right, I'm here in the aft of the boat on this Cayman 206. It comes with a Yamaha 150, plenty of power to get into the backcountry. It sits in skinny water, about 10 inches of water, so it's great for that backcountry fishing, but you can also take it to the Sandbar with your family because it has a little bit higher gunnels as that bay boat versus a skiff version. On the port side, we have a seat along with the starboard for your family to sit. Back here, we have a really great area where you can store your cast net. Bucket is already included with the boat. All right, in the middle here, we have the live well where you can keep your live shrimp, crabs, pilchards. So on the water, the oxygen's flowing through it, so those don't die on you while you're out on the water. If you come to the starboard side, we have a ladder. So if you're at the Sandbar with your family, your friends, you can get in and out of the boat, entertaining, getting on and off. I'm now gonna take you to the helm. All right, we're in the helm of the 206 Cayman. You've got the windshield here to protect you as you're driving in the water. So if there's water splashing, it keeps you dry. You've got your navigation. You have all your controls here, like your horn, nav lights, your bilge pump, and some of those other things that are necessary on a boat. We have our Garmin GPS. We also added the Clarion stereo system for you with speakers on both the port and starboard side of the boat. You have your Yamaha control tacks so you can see how much gas, how fast you're going. Along here, we also come into the seat area where you have ample storage for all your fishing rods. And underneath, we have a cooler so you can either put your drinks or your fish if you're fishing once you have that catch made. So it's great for all opportunities on the water. All right, and now I'm on the bow of the boat. The bow of the boat right now is set up for you going to the Sandbar with your family or cruising with that family. It has cushions. So on a traditional bay boat, the gunnels are really low. Look at this one, how it's a little bit higher, so you have your family a little more protected. Also with this boat, we can also turn it into a fishing vessel. All right, and now I have it set up for fishing. So if you're that backcountry fisher person that wants to get out in that skinny water, this boat's ready for you. If you look in here, it's already pre-wired, so you can actually add a trolling motor to the front of this boat. All right, on this side, you can put all the ice in here and your fish to store, and it has a plug here to get all that water out once you take your catch home with you. On the other side, if you come over here to the port, you have additional storage for your rods. So you can get up here on the front of the boat where you have your anchor storage and you're casting that line in 10 inches of water. You're getting super skinny and you're out there fishing a good time. All right, I'm Kathy from RIVA Motorsports and Marine of the Keys. Come on down so I can give you a tour on this boat.